history, known and unknown. Do you know how many airports are there in Sri Lanka?
Yes.
How many?
92.
Okay.
99.
Now let me take you back 7,100 years ago. During that time, there was a Sri Lankan king known as Ravana. He had flying machines in his airport for his personal use. According to Valmiki Ramayana, he had 6 such airports. They were in Usangoda, Thotupulle Kanta, Variapola in Karmagele, Variapola in Mattale, and Gurlapotta. After the assassination of Ravana, when Rama was flying over the Lanka, he described the aerial view of Lanka as Lanka shines on earth, studded with many vimanas. So that shows the vimanas were there, the flying machines were there in the ancient history also. Now let me talk about the history which is known but yet unknown. Before that, let me ask you another question. Who invented the first airplane? Unfortunately, that is not a true story. The true story is a scholar named Shivkar Talpade was the one who has created and flown the first unmanned plane. He was the one who discovered and created the very beautiful plane from the ancient history. Now his work was majorly based on the ancient aviation principles. Before moving ahead, let me talk about his early life and the inspiration he got to create this Vimana, or the flying machine. He was from Mumbai, India. He was born in 1864 in Dukarwadi, and his earlier education was from the School of Arts from JJ College, Mumbai. And during his studies, he met with a very good teacher who inspired him to know about the astronomical engineering and the aviation principles. His name was Chiranji Lal Verma. He got very much interested in these principles and he started reading the texts, old Vedic texts, ancient texts about the principles from the Maharishi Bhardwaja. He was very much inspired by Maharishi Bhardwaja. He was the greatest scientist of the aviation principle in the ancient history long back, more than 8,000, 10,000 years back. So there he decided to create the Vimana. Moving ahead, about the plane he reinvented. Now why I am saying reinvented? Because these things were there already in the old scriptures. So he reinvented, collected all these informations and started making the plane. Marutsakha was the first unmanned airplane. Marutsakha is the Sanskrit word. Marut means air or steam. Sakha means friend. Compiled together it means friend of wind. So this plane was based on a Mercury engine. And this Mercury engine, now how did this plane function? This Mercury engine, when the liquid mercury reacted with the sunlight, it released hydrogen, which is lighter than air. And this helped the machine to drive through. And this plane had flown up to the 1500 feet above the ground level and had stayed there for a few minutes. Now, why this work of Shivkar Talpade was not being there? Because during that time, India was under British rulers, and his work was being suppressed financially and logistically. However, he managed through great difficulties to create this Vimana and flown it. Later on, he was being supported by the mystic from Bangalore known as Subraya Shastri. He was the one who has written about the Vaimanic Shastras and the aviation principles. He has compiled all the aviation principles and written in this book. Now, ladies and gentlemen, there are many unsung heroes. There are many of such inventions done long back in the mysterious world, in the history, which is not known to us. Gentlemen and ladies, let's create an interest within ourselves to know about these unsung heroes and salute them and thank them for their inventions, what they have helped us. Shall we?
Yes.
Yes.
So,